gas torch. A lot of guys complain about peeling sealer and more sealer problems, mainly due to moisture trap beneath the surface. When you look at this, you'd think it's totally dry, but 1mm under that surface, 2mm, you'll find it will be very damp. It's very important for the sealer to penetrate into the surface at least 4 to 5mm. That way you're not going to get any peel. So this one's ready. We're going to get straight on with the sealer. We're not going to leave it too long because we don't want the moisture to come back up again. This is the sealer we're using, the one we manufacture at our factory in Huntingdon. Universal sealer. It's an excellent sealer. This comes from, the base resin comes from America, and we find it performs very, very well. It's about 18.5% solids. We give it 2 coats of that. One penetrates in really well. We find it's just the right amount of xylene to acrylic mixture, and yeah, it seems to give us a real good seal. 2 coats will give you a real nice finish. 3 coats give you a real high gloss. A lot of people don't like to see glossy, but anyway, this one's turned out quite nice. Just a simple pattern. They didn't want anything too fancy, so we just done some nice shapes. We've got the landscape team coming in after we go. This will all be nice garden borders and turf, so looking forward to getting this one on the old portfolio. Right guys, I'll take some more video in a bit. First coat of sealer going on. Leave this one dry. Shouldn't take too long because the surface is still slightly warm, even though the temperature today is probably about 3 degrees, 4 degrees. Like I say, you've got to get right on behind it once you've warmed it with the seal, with your gas torch. As I say, this is just the way we do things. Don't really get into much problems. Just my experience, the years I've been doing it, this seems to be the way forward if you don't want any hassle. It costs a little bit extra with the gas torch, but even if you use a low quality sealer, you still should get a decent sort of a finish. As I say, that looks pretty good for 1 coat. We'll get a second one on there, and that should be quite nice. Take some more shots later. See you guys. Right fellas, just got the first coat on. Just giving it a quick brush. It's about 30 minutes afterwards now. We're walking on it. You can see we've still got quite a nice seal, even with the first coat, but it's drying out nicely. Fred's just got the brush there. He's just taking it in to get out the low spots, and we're going to give it a second, just a light one, just over the top. Give it another, I'd say another 10 or 15 minutes. We can just blow across just to take that xylene out of it, and then we're going to give it a just, as I say, just a light coat over the top with the universal sealer that we make. I find this one works really well. I mean, everybody's different, they've got their own ideas on sealers and stuff, but on what they want to use. But as I say, I've been doing this in this game a long time now, and I think I've come up with something that works pretty good, hence the name universal sealer. It sort of fits in most situations, but you can put some xylene with it if you want to. A lot of people like to seal different ways, but we like the gas torch. One heavy one, brush any puddles out, and 30 to 40 minutes on with your second coat. I'll take some more shots on that. Okay guys, this is the second coat going on. See, the first coat looks Still looks pretty good, but we're just going to put the second one on now, nice and light. It's going to be a nice light coat. We don't want to get any puddles. We're just going to give it a very light one. This one just lay on the top. Literally just a sacrificial coating to go on the top of that. So just take any of those little dry spots out and even the surface finish. Oh, that should give you a nice little sheen, and that should go down to a nice semi-sheen. Fridge just put a nice light one on. Give that nice finish. As I say, no pooling on this one, just a nice light one. This one should lay on the top. That's how we do it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. There you go, guys, 2 coats on there. Quite pleased this one, it's turned out well. Biscuit and mahogany release. Pretty close to the sandstone there. Another happy customer. It's really good. Another seal going on, that should just tone down a little bit. Hopefully, another happy customer. Got Mikey coming over here today. We'll take a couple of pictures.